It's now time for the Intense 5. Ready, Ash?
Oh yes, let's go. So earlier I mentioned YouTube was down for a little over an hour. So you can't imagine how people reacted.
Wow.
One person even typed in YouTube's search window, what to do when YouTube goes down. She need help.
Fujibantan has teamed up with Kanye West and donated laptops to each boy at the Sunbeam Boys Home and desktop computers to the Mount Olivet Boys Home. Good job. I'm sure that made them smile.
Most definitely.
Yeah, man, a good look.
Mavados Son got his court date and will be going to trial on January 7th for murder. The only difference, no jury, only a judge will decide. What that mean?
Yeah, so after the case, the judge will say yea or nay. One judge.
Is that better or worse? Depends. Okay.
I mean, COVID, I think because of COVID, you can't have
A bag of people.
a lot of people. So with those restrictions and social distancing, that's, I guess, what kind of led to that decision.
Okay.
But we'll see. I don't know. Unless him win the case, probably them gonna appeal it because them gonna say, oh no.
Okay.
We'll see. Number 2. The rain on Sunday. Unbelievable. And the amount of damage it caused? No, sir. Our hearts go out to everyone who was affected. We hear more rains are coming, guys, so please stay safe.
That's a fact. And finally holding the spot this week, Chris Brown has joined OnlyFans.
Oh,
What are you saying to me?
that's what I'm saying too.
I'm not even asking why, cause anyways, for just $20 a month, you will receive exclusive content from the singer. So far, he's only posted 2 pics. I wonder what his plan is. I'm actually curious.
Chris, honestly, I don't have celebrity crushes, but Chris Brown,
I'm cute. Chris.
I gotta see what you up to.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. I'm sure next week will be just as hot. There's never a dull moment in 2020. Remember to follow us at TVJ Intense on Instagram.